While microwaving is a convenient way to heat and cook food, there are certain foods that should not be microwaved due to safety concerns or potential damage to the microwave. Here are some examples. 1. Eggs in their shells. Microwaving whole eggs or eggs in their shells can lead to steam buildup, causing them to explode. If you want to microwave eggs, always crack them open into a microwave-safe dish. 2. Grapes. Microwaving grapes can create sparks and flames due to their high water content and unique shape. This phenomenon is known as plasma discharge. 3. Hot peppers. Microwaving hot peppers can release capsaicin into the air, causing irritation to your eyes and throat. It's better to use other cooking methods for peppers. 4. Potatoes with skin. If you microwave a whole potato with the skin on, the moisture inside can turn to steam and create pressure. This may cause the potato to burst or explode. To avoid this, pierce the potato skin with a fork before microwaving. 5. Breast milk. Microwaving breast milk can lead to uneven heating, creating hot spots that may scald the baby's mouth. It's better to warm breast milk in a warm water bath. 6. Frozen meats in their packaging. Microwaving meats while they are still in their store packaging, such as styrofoam trays or plastic wrap, can release harmful chemicals into the food. Always transfer frozen meats to a microwave-safe container. 7. Grains with low water content. Foods like rice, pasta, and couscous should be microwaved with caution as they can dry out quickly and become hard and unappetizing. If you must microwave these foods, add a small amount of water to the container. 8. Foods with sealed containers. Foods that are tightly sealed, such as closed jars or cans, should not be microwaved, as the pressure buildup can cause them to explode. 9. Styrofoam and certain plastics. Microwaving styrofoam or plastics not labeled microwave safe can cause them to melt or leach harmful chemicals into the food. Always use microwave safe containers and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for safe microwave use. When in doubt, opt for conventional cooking methods for certain foods to avoid potential hazards.